Good day, my viewers. How are you doing today? Today I intend to teach us a little secret about how to trade on the RoyalQ Robot. I've come to learn that trading multiple coins would actually not be profitable with a little capital. What do I mean by that? If you're using a $100 to start and you intend to start out trading 3, 4, 5 coins, it's really not the best option. Yes, I got to understand today, my trade, I've been in the deep. I started with a $350 and plus my profit of let me say $50, that makes $400. I actually open many position. I started trading how many coins. You have Algo, you have Avax, you have Shiba. This is Algo, this is Avax, this is Shiba, this is Atom, BTCST, this is Bitcoin, and so on and so forth. You'd see I'm trading Cake, Dots, ETH, and Zen with $400. This should not be the case. When it was introduced to me, $100 capital, I was like, okay, if I start out with $100, I should be able to trade as many coins as possible. So I had 350 as a 10. So I opened many positions based on a friend's advice. It was profitable initially. This was when I changed my tactics. On the 1st of October, you can see a $2.2 profit, 3.4, 3.8, 2.8, 4.2, and then it jumped up $10.2 profit on day 6 of October, $15 profit day 7, and so on and so forth, However, my $400 trading capital could not be enough to trade these 8 coins. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This 9, 10 coins. Wow, this is 9. I'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 coins opened up. 10 coins opened up over a $400 capital, trading capital. That's really not good. Like, what I mean is this: I could not open so many positions to cover the dip. Now look inward. Here indicates floating loss. All of these are floating loss. Specifically, the coin has dropped from my first call by 17. However, on Avax, my floating loss is in Naira value, in dollar value, that's $12. The coin has dropped by 11 for Algo. In absolute value, it is $8.2. Floating loss, not absolute loss. Now, if I had concentrated on Algo alone, for example, okay, let me say 4 coins using $400, trading just Algo, Avas, Shiba, and Atom. See, look inwardly, you would see that Algo, I would just be making a loss of 0.24% instead of 11.8% if I had concentrated. However, I should be making more than that. Look, there's a percentage change of 1.453 now increase on Shiba. However, because I did not have enough capital and I opened 10 positions, 10 accounts, 10 coins, and therefore I'm making 17% loss. Here 13, but there is an increase in the dip by 4.8%. So I am really applying a very wrong technique which I have discovered and I have learned my lessons. By the time these coins increase, By the time this coin increases, you can see it's increasing. However, I have not been benefiting because I opened so many coins with little capital. You can see 1% percentage increase, 5% for BTCST, 7% for Atom, 4% for Shiba, 1% for AVAX. You can see if I had concentrated 400 on just 4 coins, I would be making massive daily profits. For Shiba, for example, today my profit would have been more than 4%. For Atom, it would have been more than 7, more than 5, more than 1% for BTC, more than 6% for Cake, and then DOT has gone down by 1.8% from yesterday's price. And that's Ethereum is increasing by 0.27%, and then Zen is 0.24%. If I had concentrated my 400 on 4 coins instead of 10 coins, I would have been making more profit. So my advice to you guys out there, just trade a coin with $100 and make sure you have so many positions opened. For me, for DOT, I just have 3 margin calls opened and I have 7 margin call limits. However, my fund is not sufficient enough to cover all the trades for 10 coin. It's quite low. I have a very low trading capital. So stick to the plan of $100 per capital and you will be in profit. You will be in profit, brothers. Take care. I love you. Stick to the plan. $100 per coin. Open 8 margin calls plus your first entry price. You are good to go to make profits daily. This is my lessons. I've learned it, and once these coins I've put on one shot sells off, I should be able to streamline to 4 cryptocurrencies, which is BTC, Cake, DOT, and ETH. I'll focus on those 4, and then I should see massive turnaround because my profit has stopped flowing from day 16th. I'm still waiting. Today is day 19th. I'm still waiting for my coins to come up from the dip. I'm eagerly waiting. My margin calls have stopped. I do not have enough cash to buy the dip. So stick to the plan of $100 per coin. Trade with that and you would see daily profits. That's guaranteed. Daily profit when you open so many margin call limits with your coin. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Join us on Telegram. Check the description below. You would see a link to the Telegram group, a link to the WhatsApp group. Also, if you're ready to register using the registration link below. RoyalQ makes the profit every day. It keeps coming. These are my trade rewards, my team rewards. You can see this is a 1 month account. I've got 3 direct referrals and I have $90 there and then $6 so far. Daily streams of income. These are residual and passive income. Not working for this. RoyalQ gives me this. I'm happy to have you on board. Thank you.